Hi, magandang tanghali o good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. June 21st today, but I want to be continue my exposures for my talent. So anyway, I know this always attack me for those person. Okay, doesn't matter. Very important in my business career. Those very people interesting to help me or be a promote me. Uh, Producer, talent manager, any kind. Just uh, just study all my singing career, especially for my unique flexible voice. Always flexible voice. Just example for the song of Mariah, whoever, rock and roll, and R&B, Michael Jackson. I can imitate all that voice. Even maybe later, if I have some study for the new songs, like for the boys and girls, I flex my voice. I think I have a song, "We Are the World" on my YouTube, my Titimo channel, and Pacman 1416 with my kid. So we have a lot of intermission, interrupt my plan or my dreams, whoever. Please, those people, he wanna make money. Just give me a call 793-6965 793-6965 and the area code is 619 direct from my cell phone, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I can imitate a lot of a song. Of course, we have a lot of practice, especially rock and roll and love song like the Air Supply, the other song singer Boyz II Men, Brian McKnight, and the other person, James Ingram. A lot of people. I can, of course, if I study one a song in a few days or in a day, whatever. This is the good chance for anybody of those some a business minded, even a entertainment lawyer. I accept it. Very important. How to boom your business. Okay, and if you haven't know about the producer, the promoter, talent marketing, or whatever, any kind of entertainment, just give me a call, and I'm willing to cooperate to talk about a business for the. I think this is the right time. Actually, I am a 50-year-old, you know that, but do I need to talk about age? Very important your talent. See me in personal and I can show it my personal talent. And even example, we have some concert in the Las Vegas, let's say in Caesar Palace, MGM, whatever, wherever casino or in Las Vegas, a five-star hotel. Example, the performance si Bon Jovi, Guns N' Roses, Celine Dion, their selection, right? I can make all that song in the. Of course, you have some practice, right? If uh, if the performer is not coming yet, or maybe the performer late or whatever, I represent my those performer because example in a lineup concert, you only might be the a song of the 25 song or 20 song, right? Might be the to in one person he make a sing or one band. I mean, like example, the Foreigner, Led Zeppelin, the Who, whatever, and a lot of Journey. I can sing a lot of a song. I repeat, I sing a lot of a song, more than 2,000 songs. Even the modern song, or maybe later on, don't laughing at me, huh? Justin Bieber, of course, I like Justin Bieber. Or the hits now, or the latest songer, or the latest singer in this world, I might be to practice and I know how to follow the beat. That's the line of karaoke. Who the person can sing more than 2,000 songs? Raise your hand. I am. Remember, I repeat, it came from God, not from me. I don't have any school. I study. Even me in my situation before in the Philippines, I study three lady for how to flex your voice. Earliest 90s, I studied the song of Celine Dion. Celine Dion is All I Come Back. That's I remember. And I forgot this, but this is Mariah and My All. What else? Celine Dion I sing Power of Love, and Whitney Houston, Mariah I sing With or Without You. Oh no, Without You. I mean, I Still Believe, and what else? I forgot the other one. One sweet day with a black guy. I forgot his name is R. Kelly or whatever. So anyway, and then I I exactly let's talk about my voice. I flex my voice. If you if your voice is what do you call that? See, Billy Ocean, I adjust those voice. You fit on my those singer. I fit on my voice. I study always. I study actually almost in a week. I sing 4 times a week, or if I sing 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, it depends how I mood my voice. So, of course, if you have some problem for your voice, you need to stop. So, I repeat again, my number 619-793-6965. Those people looking make money like me because I'm very poor right now. Remember, I always tell me I need the money. I make a money. Talk to me, negotiate me. Don't put your comment on the online. Just call me because I have no chance. I always interrupt. But I think those person interrupt me. I don't know. Very important to me how to contact me. Okay, and let's talk about for my kid. My kid and me, they call me once in a while father and son. My son, they sing a lot of song, and imitate not 2,000 song like me, of course. My son is only 9 year old. He's a miracle boy, the same like me. My talent, it came from God, not no school. Of course, you need to search in the computer, and I was starting 13-year old, but I don't have a break. When I listen to singing a little bit when I was 15-year old. And the first I know is the Beatles, Bee Gees, and of course Michael Jackson band. And the title of One Day in Your Life. That's the start. And what's his name is David Pomeranz. If You Leave Me Now, the Chicago, that's the hits on that time. That's a long time ago. And then, of course, way back the 80s, I think it's Journey, Steve Perry. It's very popular in my country. Number one is for me is Open Arms. Faithfully, not much. When go back to Arnel Pineda, when Arnel Pineda, they come back, the Journey. Usually, the very popular on that time is Lights in the Open Arms. I always hear that in Subic Bay. At the Subic Bay is that's the base of American people, especially all the military base. That's what I'm at here. That I think. So of course I grew up on the time. I listen and listen and listen and listen, and then my age is running to 20. Oh, I just listen to the rock and roll. I concentrate to rock and roll, smoke on the water. That's a difficult song. And Scorpions and what else? A lot of song. The Who, the Doors, and in my place at the time, I love what do you call it, the Cars. There's a lot of a singer, especially number one idol because I'm a heavy metal song around the time, especially the Stairway to Heaven. And Rush, a lot of you know Bon Jovi, they start on that time, I think way back in 90s to 80s, and what else? A lot of songs. I know it. But if I give me a chance, I assure with a person can sing a flexible voice. Example, I repeat again. If your line is Led Zepp, only Led Zepp song. Okay? If the band, right? If other band like this is old rock and roll like the Purple, only the Purple. But me, I can sing a lot of a different song. I assure, because with the person who can sing, we are the world. Only me, only me. Because I have a lot of experience in San Diego, but I flex my voice even a song, even voice of Madonna, Cindy Lauper, Diana Ross. Uh, may explain po any one of you, see me in personal and prepare your karaoke. Okay? Even if you're planning to make a recording, I can make it. Can do it. Okay? But sorry about my English because I'm studying. I'm studying ESL right now. I just applying or express for those people to understand me. Thank you very much, and I love you all. God bless you always. This guy, I am fanatic in my religion as a Catholic. Don't worry about my attitude. I'm not using you, my man, because I don't want to make a later on. If I using you, if I popular, I forgot you. No, don't worry about. Don't feel like that. Don't put on your mind. It's very important. Love, honesty, positive thinking, no using. Like me, always cheating. Doesn't matter. If the person always cheating me, I'm willing to all accept all that. Knock on wood. The the person always uh, cheating me, but I don't care. Very important today and now. Please try to make a cooperate for me, and especially if you don't have a know it about the, just use your computer, your internet. Hey, I'm Juan de la Cruz, example. This name is Juan de la Cruz. I'm Peter Cetera, example, and I'd like to introduce you. Can you see in personal? Okay, I have a lot of learning, knowing about a computer or internet. I introduce you. Okay, very important. Introduce me. Okay, and tell me, I don't know you, of course. You need to meet you in personal. Okay, I repeat. Or maybe you call my cell phone number of my wife. Don't email me. Don't comment. Just personal to talk to me, or call me first and then meet me in a personally. So my number of my wife is 619-623-2724. Because I want me I want to share my all my talent. Those people very interesting. Just give me a call. Look at more all my video. Why my video is always not not roll up the score of my view. You know, as always repeat. That's my problem. Or repeat and repeat. I explain and explain. But you are willing. I'm willing. You are willing to call me to cooperate. I'm willing to cooperate with you, man. Whoever. I don't care. Very important. Make a money, and if I make a money, my attitude. I always share to the other person, not only for my interest. This is a clean interest. No using. Okay? I love people. Remember? I tell it. I always explain to the people of my Tito Mo channel, Pacman 1416, or another name it all. Tommy Manuel, Flor Manuel, or TFM Entertainment. That's my line here in San Diego. But I started business starting April. I start, but make a little bit, not much seriously. Maybe later, of course, if you have some lot of proposal for your business, little by little. So now, directly give me a call, okay? 793-6965. 619-793-6965. Okay? God bless you all, and I love you all. Always, I love you, man. And then just talk to me if you see me in personal. Or the other talent I share for any one of you, man. Okay, bye bye. Love you. See you on the air.